Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Github Copilot. Now if you're not sure what Github Copilot is, it's a tool that helps programmers write code faster and more accurately. And it does this by suggesting code completions, functions and other snippets of code that are relevant to the context of the code that the programmer is writing. So this sort of technology is going to help programmers like you save a bunch of time, and this will be really useful for a majority of programmers. So if you want to learn a bit more about it, you can head over to GitHub's website on this Copilot page, and you can just scroll through here and see all the kind of things you can do with it. You can also see how much it costs down here. So if you don't know much about it, I do recommend just reading a bit about it first to make sure you fully understand everything it can do. So to actually install it, you first want to come over to Visual Studio from Microsoft, and then from here you just want to download Visual Studio. Now I'm just going to choose Community. From here it will download and you can start the installer, and then you just want to let it download and install. Now you can install some workloads if you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and install this and continue without. Okay, so it's on 99% now. It should be opening in a second. And once it opens, you'll be prompted to sign in to Visual Studio. Now if you have an account already, you can go ahead and do this, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to skip this for now. And then from here, you can choose your development settings, so you can choose whatever you want. I'm just going to choose general. And then you also want to choose your color theme, but of course, I'm going to keep mine in dark. Now from here, we've now installed Visual Code, so I'm just going to choose create a new project. I'm just going to create a blank solution and then click next. And then once we've done that, it will open up like this. So what we want to do from here is go into the top left corner where there's all these options, and we just want to click on extensions and then choose manage extensions. From here, we want to go to this search bar in the top right corner, and we can just type in GitHub and click enter. Now from here, we'll see two. We'll see GitHub Copilot, and we will also see GitHub Copilot Chat. So we just want to go ahead and download this one. And in order to download it, we just want to click this button here. So it says download, and it will begin the download of the GitHub Copilot. So once you've done that, this pop-up will appear at the bottom, and it says your changes will be scheduled. Modifications will begin when Microsoft Visual Studio windows are closed. So what we have to do is basically just X out of all of this, and we just want to restart Visual Studio. So once we do close it, it begins the installation for GitHub Copilot, as you can see. And then in order to actually install it, we just want to choose to modify it. Okay, it's now successfully been installed, so we can close this and we can just launch Visual Studio again. So once you've done that, you can open up your project and you will have successfully installed GitHub Copilot. And in order to actually start your free trial, you will have to click this Start Your Free Trial Now button, and that will open a GitHub tab, and from there you can just log in and you can begin your trial. So that's exactly how you can install GitHub Copilot. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.